Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is all about how I scored 355 out of 360 in biology. Biology has 50% weightage in your NEET paper and hence plays an important role in determining your score. When you start your preparation, you need to define your resources. Talking about my resources, I used class 11th and 12th NCERT textbooks, Physics Wala lectures and their DPPs, and MTG Biology at Fingertips book for practice. Now let's get started with my strategy. Step number 1. Whenever I was about to start a chapter, I just gave a quick reading of NCERT, like superficially, just to get an idea of things that are mentioned in the chapter. When I was done with it, it was turn of step number 2, attending the lectures. I attended the lectures and made notes along with it just in order to save my time. Notes making is one of the very important things in your preparation because these notes will help you in future for reference and you need not to watch the lectures repeatedly. I followed Tarun sir's lecture from Yaqeen batch and I assure you that he is one of the best teachers of biology. Step number 3. Once lectures were done, I switched back to my NCERTs again. This time, I read them more carefully and attentively, highlighting all the important points. You can use different colors of pens for that just to add on some colors to this boring task. I also tried to focus on important lines and discover probable questions from them. I focused on diagrams, their labelings, and everything else mentioned over there because questions could be asked from them. Whenever I found something important, I wrote it on side of the pages just to use it for revision purpose. Don't forget to focus on the tables and boxes given in NCERT, especially from the biomolecule chapter. Yes, I know it's a difficult task and you cannot get command on a chapter in just one or two reading. It may take more than 10 or 15 readings per chapter. But gradually your revision time will decrease and you will start enjoying it. Now, step number 4, practicing questions. But make sure that questions are strictly NCERT based and relevant ones. We were provided with DPPs daily and I solved them just in order to revise the concepts that I grabbed that day. Then I also used MTG Biology at Fingertips book to enhance my practice. Well, don't forget to mark the important questions you found during practice as these will help you in the final moment revision. Now, fifth and the most important step, giving tests. Yes, mock tests are definitely very important because these will help you to judge your level of preparation. And these tests will provide you fair chances for revision, so utilize it for the best. Try to read NCERTs, class notes, marked questions, etc. Here I am sharing some of my random test scorecards so you can have a look at it. Well, once tests are over, instead of focusing on your marks or rank, focus on the more important part. That is test analysis. Maintain a separate notebook for it. Note down what are the mistakes that you made, on which topics you need to focus more, which topics you are already good at. Tests will tell you all these things. Now it's the turn of last moment revision. These revisions play a very important role in deciding your final score. During this time, you retain maximum of the things in your brain. Along with my NCERT books, I used this NEET in 45 days book which I got from Physics Wala. It has daily planners and all NCERT based questions and previous year questions included in it. So this played a very important role in boosting my confidence. Now the second one, my self prepared short notes. Here I included all the important lines of NCERTs, all the tables, flowcharts, diagrams, and converted most of the text part into tables and flowcharts. These helped me a lot when there were few days left for the exams because it is practically impossible to read the entire NCERT or your class notes in 2 to 4 days. Well, you can have a look how I made these flowcharts and diagrams and all of it. Try to prepare your own notes instead of searching it here and there, as you know better which are the areas you are good at and where you need to focus more. And these are some flowcharts that I made, and these are really very helpful, and it helped me to revise the entire chapter in hardly 15 to 20 minutes. You can see this one is from Animal Kingdom, and here are all the examples written. That's all.